What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Getting into it again, not with the S26, well it is part of the S26 Ultra because I've got mine here in the shady silver, although it's silver shadow, but shady silver. But as you know, Samsung didn't put the wireless magnets into the back of it for MagSafe charging. So like we use stuff like this, like little MagSafe battery packs, and obviously you got the MagSafe logo on the back. Some brands are now doing it, like Google, etc., are now putting the ring on the back of the phone, so you can now charge wirelessly with Qi2. Been doing case reviews and stuff like that, and as you know, some cases have the MagSafe logo on them, Samsung ones especially. But when you put the MagSafe battery pack on the back, you end up with this situation where it doesn't quite fully fit because of the camera bump. Spigen tried to eliminate that with the wallet. So what they done was they made the cutouts around so that when you slap it on the back of the phone, you'd end up with that. So it sits underneath the camera bar, which is great. It works perfectly. It sits on, it's flush, it's not coming off. It's nice and on there. And of course, you've then got yourself a MagSafe wallet to go along with your case. And especially now, as Samsung are now starting to include that on their cases, so you got the MagSafe ring on the back of the cases you can buy on the Samsung store. This one, by the way, coming soon. Stay tuned for that, probably the next video. They're now doing that. Then I spotted this online. When I was pre-ordering my S26 Ultra, I spotted this online. The new magnetic wireless battery pack from Samsung. It's 5,000 milliamp hours, typical. Qi2 15 watt and a built-in kickstand. Has Samsung officially done it? Have they made the perfect battery pack for your Galaxy device? Now for years, as I say, doing reviews and stuff like that, some case manufacturers put them on like the likes of the Z Fold. So when you get the likes of the nice Z Fold case and you want to fit some wireless chargers, etc., with the Spigen wallet, you can do that. And now along with that, you can now also do it, which is fantastic news for us that have moved over from Apple and want to be able to use our magnetic wireless devices. So anything that's circle, the likes of the MagSafe wireless port, you can now use, and obviously you can actually buy one from Samsung. If you want to see that video, let me know and I'll pick one up and I'll show you it. But this right here, as I say, Samsung Magnet wireless power bank. So I've already gone ahead and done this. This is not the first time I'm filming this, but if anyone asks, this is the first time. So let's go ahead and get this open. Let's see what you get in the box. So there we go. You get a nice USB-C to USB-C cable. It's nice and thin. So I'm assuming you can use this to charge another device from this, or you can plug this in if you haven't got a MagSafe case, which is pretty good. And then there it is. There's the battery pack. So Samsung logo on the top right here, and as you can see, it's nice and cut out around the top right here, so the cameras are going to sit inside. You got USB-C port on this side, power button on this side, lights on this side to see how much battery you've got left in it. So if you keep your finger on it, it should light up. Looks like I've got 1 bar, so I'm going to have to charge this up to make sure I can use it properly. So 1 bar of power. As I say, nice cutout on the back. The MagSafe ring feels really, really nice. And of course you've got that kickstand. And of course I've got no nails. So you got that nice kickstand on the back, so you can now, if you say you're flying or whatever, you know, or you're on some public transport, you can prop it up and watch your content, and you can also stand it up too. If you've got it on the likes of a desk, you're going to be able to stand it up that way with the kickstand. So let's go ahead and slap on a MagSafe case. Like so. Got a full S26 Ultra playlist on the channel, by the way, if you want to check that out. But as you can see, that's now on there. Slap this in, there we go, and it's now charging. So it's got 4 minutes until full. It is on 98% already, to be honest with you. It's not long come off the charger, but it's got 1 bar of power. This got to be charged. So you can prop it up to watch some content, and you can also stand it up if you're using it at, say, your desk. Put it to one side out the way. But that's pretty cool. As I say, the only thing that is going to be a bit of a downfall on it is this camera on the back right here. As you can see, it covers most of it, so you're not going to be able to use that camera. So if we jump into the camera lens, as you can see, so your 1x isn't too bad, your wide angle isn't too bad, your 2x is okay, go into 3, 5, 10, actually, do you know what? It actually seems to be okay. Portrait seems okay. Nothing's actually covering the lens, which is it's okay. It actually might sit just a little bit below, actually. So if you look at it from that angle right there, I think it actually just sits just ever so slightly below. So it's not too bad, actually. I think it works. I think that's absolutely fine. I think that's perfect. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I did also order the new MagSafe wallet Samsung have made, but unfortunately it's been delayed. It was meant to be here with the pre-orders for this. I pre-ordered the phone and I pre-ordered the case, the MagSafe battery pack and the wallet. Unfortunately the wallet's delayed for some reason, and I did call into the Samsung store just to see if I could pick it up in there, and it looks like theirs is delayed too, so it looks like it's not just myself. So let's see if this works as well. So let's plug it in. Okay, so I don't think you can charge another device with the cable. I think it literally is just MagSafe, and then that's just it's not pass through, it's literally just to charge this device up. So there's that to think of. It doesn't actually, let's try it a different way. Oh, it does. So it does actually charge it with the cable, so you can charge, I'm assuming you can charge one via MagSafe. In fact, let's just test it out. Let me bring in an iPhone. So I'll bring in a quick iPhone right here, let's slap it on the back. And yeah, it's charging both devices. So it's charging both, it's really good. It's really, really good. So if you get stuck, you're in a pinch, you want to charge yours on a friend, yours on a wife, yours on your partner's phone, you know, you can do that pretty easily with this little guy right here. Now, as I say, it is only 5,000 milliamp hours, but it's how you use this, that's the important part. What I like to do on mine, because this is how you're meant to use them, I'm assuming. So you're meant to basically charge your phone to 100%, have this to 100% as well. Stick this on your back of your phone first thing in the morning, deplete this, then you've still got 100% on your phone. Charge this up during the night, and you can even charge through this, so you've got both charged to 100%. Now I wouldn't do that all the time, because obviously you'd probably destroy your battery, I assume, at some point. Get out for the day, say like, obviously with me going to America quite a lot and going to the theme parks, I would charge this up, slap it on the back of the phone first thing in the morning, head to the theme park, take me pictures and stuff like that, do what I need to do, post on socials, and then next thing, take this off when it's depleted, pop it into my bag, and then next thing, you've now got 100% battery life left on your phone, and you've then got the rest of the day to enjoy your phone while this is now depleted. Charge it up and away you go. But then obviously if you do get into a pinch as well, you know, say you've depleted this down, you need to make some phone calls, you can just stick it on the back and get you through. But let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Have you been waiting for something like this? Because I know I have, because definitely I needed something on there that wasn't going to kick off the side of the camera and fall off quite easily. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you like this, drop a like. If you love to, drop a sub. Turn them notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if there's anything you want to see with the S26 Ultra. And as I say, playlist is already down there and it's now building up a little bit. So let me know. See you all in the next one.